And good day. We're going to be discussing one little aspect about Burnham and their boiler. This particular one is one of their better boilers for the residential market, is the Megasteam. And one of the things we're going to be talking about is my favorite, the Sightglass. And right here are the Sightglass tappings, bottom and top. And this is the Sightglass fitting that they spec for this. And one of the nice things I like about their specs is that they, for the friction ring, spec stainless steel, which is really nice. It's a small thing, but gosh, I appreciate it. And the tube is fire polished on both sides. Also a nice little feature. And Merapodictu, for the Sightglass protection rods, they spec brass. Oh, it's so lovely. What happens is, if the Sightglass leaks, then this will rust right here and will bond with this hole, and you can't get it out, or it breaks off. So good on Burnham for speccing this on their boiler. But as in most Sightglasses, they have this silly little drain valve, and it's in this particular situation it's even less desirable, because if you open this valve, what you have is the door hinge for the burner that the burner sits on is right here. So if you open this up, you get rusty water all over the place. So we can't put our drain valve on there like we want to. So the only way I see of doing that is installing standoffs the Sightglass can go on the side, and then we can install the drain valve right here. The door can still open. There is a plug here for a clean out. We can't put, I'd like to put a cross T here, but the cross T will interfere with the door's operation. So I take what I can get. And then the drain can go here, put a hose on there, and you can at least test and keep the Sightglass clean. And again, good on Burnham for speccing out a halfway decent Sightglass fittings.